Renesas Electronics is a Japanese electronics company, and we specialize in B2B, business to business, and we provide products for the automotive industry, the tech industry for high performance computing, and also consumer electronics, where we specialize in power and connectivity. The technical challenges we face as a business are operating a global scale where we have manufacturing in several regions. Our customers can be anywhere in the world. So Renesas has had a long journey to OCI. This started originally when we had Exadata systems on site in our server rooms around the world. So the next level was really, could we get any more out of it? And along came the Exadata Cloud at Customer. And then the final part of our journey was moving entirely into the cloud. One of the problems we had was we would locate the systems within our data centers, and they would be in a specific location in the world. And that created some problems if we were having users from around the globe trying to access those systems, and there'd be some latency there that would cause a problem. The network, any interruption to that would disrupt our services. We found with OCI, with the operational kind of availability it delivers, we just don't have those problems anymore. We selected Exadata Database Service in the cloud for our mission critical workloads because it brought us a high performance, high availability, and high efficiency. So the top workloads that we're running on Exadata on OCI concern our manufacturing applications, and our engineering teams and our production teams can review this and ensure that we are delivering quality products at the right time. Running Exadata in OCI has allowed us to increase our performance and resilience by allowing us to have a multi-region setup. We have a primary system that's located in Frankfurt in Germany, and we have a standby system that's located in Tokyo in Japan. So if I'm a user in Tokyo, it looks like I'm working on a local copy of that application. When we've moved to Exadata on OCI, the real gains we've seen are the ecosystem around it. We're able to use many other services that OCI provides. So Oracle have been a great technology partner for us. They've engaged with us, listened to the problems that we've had, suggested solutions, and worked with us to ensure that those solutions are delivered and as to our requirements. So this has been a great experience for us. It's been very people-focused as well as the technology.